Let's learn. Let's do the dance. It's choreographed by Rob Fowler. It is a 32 count, 2-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn. Let's do the dance. Section 1, your weights will start on your left foot. We're going to skate right and left. So you're going to bring your right foot in, push it out into the right diagonal. Bring your left foot in, push it out into the left diagonal. We're now going to chasse to the right corner, making an 8th return, stepping our right foot forward, left together, right forward. You're angled towards that 1 o'clock diagonal. You're now going to cross walk your left over your right. Recover back onto your right foot. We're going to chasse to the left. Stepping left side, right together, left side, and you're going to have this chasse where you back up to the 12 o'clock wall. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your 2 skates. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to cross our right over our left. We're going to step our left foot to the left side. We're now going to do a behind side heel. Cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, and place your right heel forward into the diagonal. You're going to step your right next to your left, cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, and then we're going to do a behind side cross. Cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, crossing over with your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a modified rumble box. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, step together with your left, taking weight onto your left foot, and then we're going to shuffle forward with our right, stepping right, forward, left together, right, forward. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side, step together with your right, taking weight onto your right foot, and shuffle back with your left, stepping left, back, right together, left, back. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left. We're going to do a half shuffle over your left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side. Step together with your left, then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to rock back with our left, recover onto your right, and we're going to shuffle forward with our left, stepping left, forward, right together, left, forward, and that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, we're going to rock back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1, 2, 3 with counts. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your skate. So it's skate, skate, chasse to the diagonal, cross rock, recover, side chasse, cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball across, side, behind, side, cross. Modified rumble with your shuffle, side, together, shuffle back, rock back, recover, half shuffle, rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your skates. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, the dance technically ends facing 6 o'clock, but there is an extra count before the music completely ends. And what I like to do so that I end facing the front, you'll be finishing your shuffle forward, and I just do a pivot to the front so that I'm ending facing 12 o'clock, but you don't have to. There is like 1 or 2 extra little counts of music before the music completely ends, so you could turn to the front if you would like to end facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around on the front wall. I'm going to do steps, back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left, starting with your skate. So it's skate, skate, chasse to the diagonal, cross rock, recover, chasse. Cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, side, behind, side, cross. Side, together, shuffle forward. Side, together, shuffle back. rock back, recover, half shuffle, rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Now your skates, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Skate, skate, there, shot side, cross, rock, recover, shot side. Cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, side, behind, side, cross. Side, together, shuffle forward. Side, together, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, half shuffle. Rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Now your skates, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the very demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Let's Do It a Dance. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Dirty boots in a flirty mood, and I'm playing for the girls that are under the moon. They like my fiddle and they love the tunes. We play that kind of music that they like to move. They love it hot, they love it cold. Love the twang of the guitar and they love the roll. They like it young and they like it old. They love it real, real loud, and they love it slow. Let's dance, do 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 do. Let's dance, do 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 do. Let's dance, do 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 do. Let's dance, do 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 do. She's a brown-eyed girl with her boots all scuffed. She's got her high-rise jeans and her little T-top. She's got her cowgirl hat with the turquoise stud. She likes it fast and loud, and she likes it rough. He's a no-name boy with his cut-off shorts. He's got his slick back hair and his cheekbones sharp. He likes to tear it up and get a little buck. He loves it fast and loud, and he loves it rough. Let's dance.